Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the functional group for class 10th. So what is this functional group? So it is an atom or group of atoms present in any organic molecule which determines the chemical properties or chemical reactions of an organic compound or organic molecule. So functional group describe the chemical behavior of an organic compound. In 10th we have 6 functional groups. We will understand each with their IUPAC nomenclature, with their symbol and with their prefix and suffix. So for what is functional group? It is an atom or group of atoms which attach with any organic molecule and then describe the chemical properties of any organic compound. So I am going to draw a table. Functional group, what's its symbol, general formula, prefix, suffix and general format. First group is carboxylic acid. Its symbol is COOH. The bonding of COH is one double bonded oxygen and one OH group. This is called carboxylic acid. Its general formula will be RCOH. R is any carbon containing long chain of any organic compound. Its prefix, when it is used before the root word, that is carboxy. Its suffix is oic acid. Its suffix is oic acid. So if it is attached with any alkyl chain, alkane, then general format is alkanoic acid. This is the first functional group, carboxylic acid. Main thing is symbol COOH. Second is aldehyde. Its symbol is CHO and its bonding is C double bond OH. General formula RCHO. R again any alkyl group containing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. Prefix is formyl. Prefix we use when a high priority group is present before aldehyde. Suffix is al, al, and its general format is alkanal, alkane plus alkanal, right? Third is ketone. Symbol is C double bond O, and this ketone will never present at the terminal position, never present at the last position. It will be present in middle of a chain. Its general formula is RCO R dash. This R dash can be different from R or even may be same carbon containing alkyl groups. Prefix is keto and its suffix is on, ONE. So general format will be alkanon, alkane plus on. I am writing here alkanon. Fourth is alcohol. Symbol is OH, hydroxyl group OH. General formula ROH. Prefix hydroxy. Suffix is ol. This is al, this is ol. So general format will be alkanol. So these are the four major group. First is acid, suffix is oic acid. Second is aldehyde, al. Third is ketone, suffix is on. Fourth is alcohol, suffix is ol. Let's do some examples. We have to write the UPSC name of this compound. So first count the number of carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 carbon we use word but. And all the carbon contain carbon-carbon single bond. So its primary suffix will be N. And next thing is, now this is a functional group COOH. Its suffix is oic acid, and this functional group is a carbon containing functional group. So lowest number will be given to this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say at first position oic acid containing group is present. So butane 1 oic acid. But there is a one mistake we common do, that is E and O. Two vowels can't be present together, so we drop this E. So final IUPAC name will be butane 1 oic acid, or you may write it as also one number can be written at front. One butanoic acid, right? Second example is CH3CH2 CHO. Again it is a functional group. Its suffix will be al. So count the carbon. I think we have 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. For 3 carbon we have word pro. Carbon-carbon single bond. So primary suffix is "ane", and this is again carbon containing group. So this carbon will be lowest carbon 1 propane 1 al. Again we have to drop this E. So final name will be propane 1 al. Right? Let's do some more examples. Now we can see there is a functional group C double O bond O. This is ketone and its suffix is O. This group will be present in middle always. It can't be present at a terminal position. So just count the carbon. I think 5 carbon. For 5 carbon we use word pent. If we need to give the number to this carbon, if we count from this side, number is 3. From this side also 3. So at third position ketone group is present. Pent. All the carbon contain carbon single bond. So primary suffix is "ane". Pentane 3 on. E is dropped here because next is a vowel. Right? We have to write the IUPAC name for this. Now the functional group is OH. So its suffix will be all, but we can see there is a one substituent group also present. So give the number to the this carbon which contain functional group. It will get a lowest number. So numbering we will be starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and now this will act as substituent group. So it will be written before the root word. This is methyl group. So we can write 2-methyl. Parent chain contain 4 carbon, 2-methyl but all single bonds. In at first position we have OL, butane 1 ol. 2-methyl butane 1 ol. So by using prefix and suffix we can write the IUPAC name of a organic compounds containing functional group. Again functional group determines their chemical characteristics or chemical reactions or chemical properties. In next video we will complete the functional groups. Right? Thank you.